Okay, so what are the typical use cases we see from people that utilize our Matterport camera rental program? They kind of fall into three categories. Number one, and the one we're kind of mainly aiming the program towards, is the try it before you buy it group of customers. And these might be people that are totally new to the Matterport platform. They've heard about the Pro3 camera and they think they might have some applications in whatever industry or whatever vertical they're in to utilize it, but the camera costs $6,000 and they're like, okay, before I invest that, I want to try it. So that's probably the main group of customers. Additionally, we have people who are familiar with the Matterport platform already, and typically they own a Pro2 camera and they're thinking about upgrading to the Pro3 because of the various advantages that it has over the Pro2. There again, $6,000 might be a little much for them to invest without trying it, so they may rent it a time or two on a couple of projects and then ultimately decide they want to go ahead and purchase it. And then lastly, we have multiple customers who scan cell phone towers or do large projects scanning retail locations, and they might get an assignment. For instance, we've worked with a client recently who had, I believe, 700 or 800 dollar stores that they needed to scan. Now, they owned a couple of cameras, but they didn't own enough cameras to satisfy what they needed to deploy to complete that project. So they utilize their cameras and they utilize cameras from us. So you can see there's a wide range of applications for people that utilize the rental program. The try it before you buy it, the upgrade from the Pro2 to the Pro3, or if you need extra cameras for a larger project. And I guess last, I kind of forgot about this one, but sometimes people will be on a project and drop a camera and it's a time-intensive project, and we have a special deal. We can overnight a camera to somebody to use while theirs is being repaired or serviced. So that kind of wraps up the general use cases of the customers we have in the rental program.